After you enroll, you're going to want to locate the account that you want to send your Zelle payment from, because most of us have multiple bank accounts these days, even within the same financial institution. Once you locate the correct account, you're going to click on the Zelle button and you're going to see three options. You can send, request, and split. In addition to that, you can also click on Activity to see your past transactions with Zelle. Now, once you click on Send, a list of your contacts in your phone is going to automatically show up. But if you're looking to send money to somebody who isn't in your contacts, or perhaps they signed up using their email, you can also type that in directly into the search bar. Now, once you type in the email or phone number for the person you're looking to pay or request money from, whatever it may be, at that point in time, you're going to type in the amount of money that you're looking to send, and you're also going to confirm which account you want this money to come out of. Or if this is a request, you're actually confirming which account you want the money to go into once that person fills that request. On the next screen, you're going to confirm your details, and you'll also have the option here to add a memo if you want to fill out any details related to the transaction. Now, this is very important because on this screen, this is the very last step until the money actually leaves your account. And in the case of Zelle, it is irreversible. There's no customer service you can call. Once you make that payment, the money is gone. So you want to be aware of who you're sending money to, double checking all of your information, and you should also be aware of Zelle scams and frauds that exist out there. And if you do have any concerns about the legitimacy of something going on, I would always suggest calling your bank and explaining what's going on. Maybe you got a suspicious text saying that you had to Zelle somebody money to unlock your bank account. If anything sounds weird, it's probably a scam, and you should definitely get on the phone with somebody before moving forward with whatever steps you're being told. Now, once you do click send, the screen turns green to confirm that the transaction went through, and you're also going to be given a confirmation number. As mentioned, the money is usually in the recipient's account immediately, but in some cases, if they're not enrolled in Zelle already, for example, they will receive a link to enroll via text or email, depending on how you sent it to them. And then, as soon as they enroll in Zelle, using the same steps I just showed you at the beginning, those funds will be available in the receiving bank account.